Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see Odoo exercise, and this is the exercise 4. In case you missed previous discussion about exercise 3, how to convert amount to text, please check link is given in the description. If you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the Weblearns channel. Under the home screen you can see Odoo 17-18 development tutorial. This is the main playlist of the Odoo development tutorial, and this is the topic wise sub playlist available. Alright guys, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. It will give you the latest notification about the upcoming sessions, and it will also help me a lot. So let's back to our main topic here. Let's say I'm giving you a small demo, like you have to create a one field in res config model, something like this, in a many to many field. We have to use here product. Let's say product. I'm trying to save, right? That particular data, this id, we have to store into system parameter model. Okay, if you are a beginner and you don't know what it is, you can see here system parameter. Here you have to store something like this. Okay, after that, once you click to this product, and if you open the form view, you can't see here the chatter, you see. And if you also don't know what is chatter, right? So let's say we have to add a log notes or schedule activities or send a mail, right? So we have some options here. After this form you finish, you can see a new feature is also available here, right? So this is a chatter. Actually you have to chat. You can also chat. You can also see the some specific log notes for the specific record, right? So basically you have to hide this one based on the dynamic configuration. Okay, here you can see general settings. You can also add as much, right? And save, and after automatically it should be work for that specific configured model. Alright, so yes, so this is the exercise for you, and soon I will also provide you the technical session, the solution I mean. Alright, if you still have any doubt related to this topic, please comment below, and see you in our next session.